In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a PGN file into chess.com quickly and correctly. Whether you've downloaded games from another platform, saved your own matches, or you just want to analyze a specific position, this method will let you load your PGN file in seconds. Stick around because I'll walk you through every step, and by the end, you'll be able to analyze any game like a pro. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Once you're logged into your account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several options there, but what you're looking for is the train section. Hover over or click on the train icon to expand the options. From the drop-down, click on Analysis. This will take you to the chess.com analysis board, where you can review games, explore moves, and import PGN files. Now that you're on the analysis page, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different tabs and options. One of these options is called Load PGN. Go ahead and click on that tab. This is where the magic happens. Chess.com gives you two simple ways to import your PGN. You can either paste the PGN text directly into the box, or you can upload a PGN file from your computer. If you already have the PGN text copied, just click inside the box and paste it in. Make sure the formatting stays intact so chess.com can read it properly. If you have a file instead, look for the upload option and select your PGN file from your device. Once your PGN is added, chess.com will automatically load the game onto the board. At this point, you'll see the full game appear move by move. You can now go through each move, analyze positions, use the engine, and really break down the game to understand what happened. This is super useful for improving your gameplay, studying professional matches, or reviewing your own mistakes, and that's it. You've successfully imported a PGN file into chess.com. It's a simple process, but incredibly powerful once you start using it regularly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.